Hello. So today we have a new artist. This was recommended by our pals at Best Friends React. Best Friends React. If you guys haven't checked out their videos, you can do so. They're very, very nice. And this is a Japanese track, a Japanese music video by an artist called Wagamama Rakia. Wagamama is a Japanese word. I'm not sure what it means. I know it's also a restaurant, but that's pretty much it. I'm quite uncultured, I'm sorry, but we're checking out their track today. It's called Rain, and I don't know anything about this track. I don't know what the genre is, what it's gonna sound like, and this is our first exposure to this artist. I'm very excited to see something new. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's go. We don't have subtitles, but it feels rock. Okay. What's happening? Oh my god.
Please turn online.
was nice. So Wagamama Rakia, that's their band name. This is very interesting because I'm so used to, especially with this channel, reacting to K-pop content and a lot of mainstream K-pop, and so checking this out, it's a lot different in terms of the video, the sound, the feel, the dance. Everything is different, and not in a bad way. I'm not dogging on K-pop. I love K-pop, of course, but it's nice to see something different, because I had certain expectations in my head on how the music video will be, and it's not in any way how I expected it to be. I love the colors here, I love the color palettes, and I love how dramatic everything is. I love the mystery with these hooded instrument musicians, the hooded musicians. What was I gonna say with it? Okay, anyways, it's really great. There's a lot of charisma here from these the main band with Wagamama Rakia, especially when this rapper comes in. This is rap, right? And I love this the filter that they use in their vocals, and in the chorus we get some vocal manipulation, but it's not like a, you know, auto-tune because they couldn't hit the note. It's auto-tune for stylistic. It's a stylistic auto-tune. It's for a dramatic effect, and it works very, very well. It reminds me a lot of when I listened to the track Scream by Dreamcatcher for the first time. I remember just like being absolutely spooked by the chorus, because they're so experimental, even though I wouldn't really classify it as like a full K-pop track. It's more of like pop rock, or it just has more of a rock vibe, and that's what I really dig about Dreamcatcher. This is rock. This is some Japanese rock. I also listen to some Japanese rock, but a lot of them are mainstream Japanese rock, you know, and they're more pop than rock, and it's not as intense, and so it's nice to hear this. They sound really, really great, and this our front woman with her teal hair is wonderful. I don't know if she would want me to call her wonderful, but I think it's really great, and I love the video. As I said, you know, I love me some good moody lighting, and the dance. Okay, so with K-pop, dance is like very specific. You know, it's something that they practice a lot for tons and tons of hours, and so when you see it in a music video, it's something that's been rehearsed, and this like knife-like precision, that's what's important. Here it's more like they're going with the flow, and it doesn't look bad. It looks really good. It looks like they're feeling themselves, and I enjoy watching dance like this. It's very interesting because I wouldn't expect a track like this to have dancing in the video, but it's not that jarring. It kind of works. So this is great. This is a great track. Thank you to Best Friends React. I don't know which one of you messaged me. Thank you to that person, and thanks. But yeah, that's it for this reaction. Something new. I liked it. Wagamama Rakia. I've been saying it so many times. I hope I haven't been saying it wrong, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.